Doing a little nighttime stripping.
Black and dead, black and blue. The black and down and back against you American government. You black and dead, black and dead, black and blue.
Because I was going to work on this little corner, because I noticed from the back that there was some filler going on down there, and I'm like, you know what? I'll bet I need to cut out that whole piece. Well, I didn't know it went into there, and then I didn't know there was filler there, and then I didn't know there was filler there, and then I didn't know there was filler there, and then I didn't know there was filler there, and all through here, and then all through there, and then this has like a 1/4 inch of paint on it. So yeah, just kind of did some rough stripping on it, and I'll send it down to sandblasting later after I clean it up a bit, but a little bit hammered from wanting to clean up these welds on the back. Even though it's a back, I don't like to show that there was stuff there, and there was something going on there, and this was broken off inside, so I did my old weld nut. But this is what I noticed from the back, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just fix that little piece and that'll be good. And no, nope. So we're gonna be doing a little metal work. Ooh, can you feel the satisfaction? Oh, 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 oh yeah. Tracks. And I'm about to turn them on. So I've done a lot of work on getting this thing straightened up, and I wanted to put this on because when I put this on, I want to make it line up with this guy. Obviously with the piece on here, that's where it wants to sit right now, and obviously that's not going to work. So great time to make these things match up. We'll kind of be doing something like that. I'm cutting this off. There's a little piece we made. Got the Fender to bolt up on the bottom here by extracting that bolt that was broke. Just from the damage that we saw here, ended up being a whole slew of issues. So, living and learning. So there we are. All cleaned up. It's nice and even with the rocker piece here. A lot cleaner than she was before, that's for darn sure. I want to note that very mandatory that this was done on the vehicle. You know, don't try to do a patch panel with your piece off the vehicle, at least not the entire time. You know, if you're afraid of if sparks and stuff are an issue because the car's got windows and whatnot in it, you know, some stuff can be done off the vehicle. But for your door gaps, for lining up body lines, you know, this was really the only way to do it. What started off as a little dent or something going on down there, didn't know what it was, turned into having issues on a lot of the fender here. But with the hammer and dolly work and a little bit of time, it was a good day's project.
Like a dead, like a blue, the black up down and rocket into American government.